More blessings to come, of course. Yes, thank you so much.
Once and for all, Mr. Ed, would you like to say something to the celebrants?
One more time, Mr. Bo Abdullah, right? Happy birthday to you, my man. And I'll see you again in California, right? Next 5 days. Okay, thank you. And to all the happy.
Happy birthday.
Lahat po tayo sa likod.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan.
Tan 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 tan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you so much, Mr. Bong. Happy birthday again. See you again later.
Salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo nyo dito itong gabi. Thank you very much. Especially to our Honorable Mayor Edgar Zaragoza from Narcocan, and also Mr. Mayor from Kawayan, Mr. Tugade, and to all the Balikbayan, and also to Ma'am Charito, Mayor Charito. Thank you for coming. And also to our board member of Ilocosur, Mr. Sawyer Zaragoza also. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you po. Yeah, maraming salamat po sa pag-i-stay nyo. Thank you po. Sir Yel, of course. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, maraming salamat po. Thank you for spending your whole night with us. Of course, salamat po sa nag-invite sa amin dito. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Good night, everybody. See you again next year. This is Rick Sabing saying, maganda po ako.